practical sewing and advanced techniques. Buttonholes. There are 7 styles of buttonholes in Mode 2. You can choose the appropriate buttonhole for your garment. The machine will sew a proper size buttonhole automatically in a single step. Place a button on the back of the automatic buttonhole foot and push back the holder to hold the button. The buttonhole length is determined automatically. Attach the buttonhole foot. And place the fabric under the foot. Lower the presser foot and pull down the buttonhole lever as far as it will go. Start the machine. The machine will stop automatically when the buttonhole is complete. Programming a pattern combination. Any of the stitch patterns except for those in Mode 1 and pattern 21 to 30 in Mode 2 can be programmed to create a pattern combination. Up to 50 patterns can be memorized. Select the desired pattern and press the memory key to memorize it, and then select the next patterns to memorize. You can program the pattern in a mirror image by pressing the mirror image key. Programming letters and numbers. Select Mode 4 and enter the pattern number of the desired character. Press the memory key to memorize the character. Up to 50 characters can be memorized. European letters and Russian letters are available in Mode 5 and 6, respectively. Let's try to program Deppe. Press the Mode key and select Mode 4. Enter 14 for uppercase D and press the memory key to memorize. Enter 41 for lowercase e and press the memory key. Enter 52 for lowercase p and press the memory key. Press the memory key again to memorize another p in lowercase. Press the Mode key to select Mode 5. Enter 51 for lowercase e with an acute accent and press the memory key. Now you are ready to sew Deppe. To delete a character, press the left side of the cursor key to shift a cursor to the left, or press the right side to shift the cursor to the right. Press the clear key, and the character above the cursor will be deleted. To insert a character, press the cursor key to shift the cursor under the character next to the place where you wish to insert the character. Enter the character and press the memory key. The new character will be inserted before the cursor.